Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Amir and you're watching Ilmi Hub YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can stop your Windows 10 unwanted updates. But before I start my video, I wanna tell you that I'm making this video only for educational purpose. Please do not use this method to stop updates of pirated Windows 10 or any other illegal purpose. Now let's come to the video. Come to this PC, right click on it, click on manage. You will see something like this. Click on services and applications, double click on services, click here and press W button. Now you will see Windows update here. Double click on it. You will see this dialog box. Click on stop. Now it's stopped and click on this drop down menu. Click on disable, apply, OK, and you're done. I hope you will like this video. If you feel this video was helpful, please like it, share it, and if you need any other tutorial, please tell us in the comment box. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.